Good morning. Saturday the 13th. I'm not awake yet. I need coffee. What a coincidence. Yeah. It's one of those days I don't feel like doing anything. Oh, you lazy bugger. Okay, but I will get my ass in gear and I'm gonna do something. Oh yeah. I had 3 cups of coffee, so when they kick in, I'm ready. So what am I going to do? Yep, I'm gonna clear out the tent. Now I'm gonna see what I can get out of that pipe at this time. I've disconnected that hose and the other one. Those are the throttle controls. They are not disconnected yet. I have to go down in the belly of the beast in the engine room to get those two. They are two disconnected, and then I can take them out. But there is another thing. Okay, this one is an extension cord, and this one has power on it. Eee. So I'm gonna, I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can trace this down and take it out just to be safe. I will disconnect the entire boat from shore power, so this one is dead, just to be safe. And then let's see how far I can clean out this mess. So here we go. Okay, so I removed the garbage bag, the bin bag, and yeah, there we go. It's weird that this one was here, but whatever. So now let's see what happens if I pull on stuff. So this old crap just came out, and I'm left with this. This is the hydraulic line. That's the other one. Yep. This is the fuel, the filler line for the oil, apparently. I don't know for sure, but who cares? Cut the old gas line, and these are the controls for the throttle controls. So this has to come out from down below, from inside. I want to take this bracket off as well, so when this is empty, or when I drop it down, I can yeah, cap it off and make sure no water gets in there anymore. So let's go down below. Okay, so in theory I can pull on this one and on these two. Hope you can see it. Yeah, you can. But it might snag up top, so let's see what happens. There you go, snagged. And this one as well. That's due to these couplings on top. They snag on this black pipe. So let me see what I can do about that. Back on top again. Okay, everything is gone. So I need to fix this hole. Oh, hey. Yeah. Let's tape it up so it's no moisture will seep into it. What? Then I have this one. Let's put this over for some extra protection. What? Oh, now I'm gonna scare you. Whee! Job done. Oh, knock it off. Good morning. It's Monday morning, about 10 o'clock, and this is the weather report. Some say it's going to rain today. Yep, some is right. It's raining. Hola. So, dishes. And also something else today. Today I'm gonna start with the electrics. Yep, I'm gonna try to get my starter motors hooked up again to the starter buttons on my dashboard, and a cable to my batteries down here. As you know, I'm a very good professional. I know everything about my boat. I'm not lying, I'm not kidding. So I've hired a professional. I did. Yeah, he's coming on this afternoon about 1 o'clock ish, and he's gonna install the cable to wherever and however, but I want to make sure it's safe. So I've showed you this, and a lot of it is gone already, but I don't know. Like there is a fuse. I don't know if that's connected to the battery system or whatever, and it's high voltage, high amps. Well, yeah, so I want to be safe, and I want to have it done correctly. So that means I'm gonna hand it over to a professional. Yeah, I'm presuming the professional knows what he does and how everything works, and he knows the taste of every color cable to be found on my boat. Easy. I mean, how hard can it be? Well, you know me, I always love a good sky. A little rainbow there. Goes all the way down there, just behind this tree here. Starting to rain already, so yeah, let's go back inside. Alrighty then, the electrical mechanic left. He spent the better part of 2 hours on my boat, and he found the issue. Plural. So there was an issue here, an issue there, an issue here, and an issue here. Wowzers. So this was a fuse, a 150 amps fuse, and that was somewhere stuck in there, and it shouldn't have been there. I mean, this one in there is a no-go. There shouldn't have been any fuse there, so yeah, this one broke, so that broke the chain of the electrical power, and that made it was the cause of my engines not firing. Oh, and I forgot, there was an issue there, a big one. Here the issue is partially fixed. You see this curve? So this connection is straight, and from this one, the blue one, it goes like that. And it shouldn't do that. It should be straight, like this one. The mechanic fixed this one. He left that one because he was afraid to break it. But there was a faulty connection in here as well. So besides this one was broken as well. The knob broke. It doesn't do anything. So yeah, leave it. So the electrical engineer, let's call him that, he also went downstairs in my engine room, and in the back where the battery system, the household battery system is, and he assessed the situation there, and he agreed with me. There's only one solution. Yeah, don't use it and start over. It's just plain old dangerous. I didn't count on that verdict, but I trust him. He found this 4-point problem. Yeah, I thought it was bad, but I didn't count it on it being this bad. But it is. So I made the right decision. It needs to come out, all of it, eventually. The system now is safe. We assessed that, he assessed that. And as long as I use only the shore power system I use now, and not through the 4 household batteries and chargers and shit like that. So I won't. No. I trust his verdict. First of all, he's a really nice guy, but second of all, he really knows what he's doing. Like me, of course, but hey. I'm having that issue with my foot, remember, so I can't do anything. But no, I'm not an electrical engineer. No way. I'm a carpenter, so yeah. I'm glad I contacted them, and I'm really glad he came over and fixed this problem. This could be a bad one. Could have been a bad one. So crisis diverted. Yay! Hail! Wow. Awesome sight though. It makes one hell of a racket. Whee! No, I'm not gonna go outside. Holy crap. This is something special, guys. 17th of April. During the day, it's about 4 o'clock or something. This happens. A major hailstorm. Awesome. Weird. And this is like 3 minutes later. Amazing. This is absolutely weird. I mean, look at this. Just a couple of minutes ago it was like, well, winter. And now it's spring. And the temperature is lovely. It's about 17, 16 degrees, 15 maybe. No, 16, 17. It's lovely. I think the Irish, Scottish people and the English people know what I'm talking about. We call it Dutch weather. Maybe they will call it Scottish weather or Irish weather or English weather. But hey, loving it. Here we go again. Just one cloud. It's just the one cloud. That one is gone. It's this one. Not as bad as a couple of minutes ago, but still. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. But thank you. I'm now at about 129 subscribers, so that's amazing, guys. Thank you very much. And a warm welcome to all the new subscribers. You helped me out big time, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed my footage. And let me know what you think. Hit the like button up or down. Leave a comment, leave a like, and yeah, let's continue. And I hope to see you the next time. Take care. Bye.